But Alkaline have them things in their mind for them to go school. I say you think I tell bleaching and tattooing and nothing. Me I can do something past
Crazy.
that. And me I say like what? Me see him on the night saying tattooing eye.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
You didn't know say, and not nice. Give Alkaline the formula. If you reach when you reach right now.
Nobody knows.
You remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
I don't know one Media Fox on the app, you know. Yeah, man, you know, things set. So people, when I forgot to tune into that video, you know. Very interesting. Bag of thing attack. You see me? Yeah, man. Bless up everybody. Respect for the support to all the Media Fox fans. You see me? Yeah. Big up the Vendetta same way. And big up Dancehall. You don't know anything set. But make way them I say.
But Alkaline, when Alkaline just bust, when on fight, a matter of fact, or phone side, when Alkaline decide to stand up dog and do it one thing, or Dancehall fight the man, bro.
Nobody need a fight Alkaline.
You can't tell me nothing. Masicka and Alkaline right now get the biggest fight in the dance.
Listen,
No, why people always do that? What do you mean by Masicka and Alkaline get the biggest fight in a dancehall? Bro, that's madness, bro. Masicka not get no fight, brother. The man not get no fight, bro. Like, brother, the man sang them still a play. Nobody not pay no DJ if you not play him sang them. Brother, where you get that out there from? Bro, last year, when Masicka and Cartel do the Atlanta show, nobody never talk about fight, brother. Not because we're going with the clash and everything and ray, that's not a fight, brother. We can see what happened with Alkaline. The whole industry, bro, much artists come out a try this Masicka. Tell me much artists in a dancehall. Which artist found out in this Masicka? Brother, look, the Alkaline do a show at Barclays. Everybody bring it down about ticket cheap. I be a free ticket I give away. All of them look at something there. For sure, yo. I don't know, see you drop an album, I the same thing. Them said this, them said that, them said this. You know, hit now come from it. Come on, bro. When Masicka drop him album, them everybody say, yo, a good album. This, that, What not talk about? Masicka not getting a fight, brother. You see me? Masicka not getting a fight, dog. People still a play him song everything. When you see him ball forward out and I tell boom boom say, yo, Gaza thing, you know. You see, look how much artists. When you Sizzler forward out, Bounty, DeMarco, Wells. How much other artists forward out, bro? Industry personnel. We're not talking about that. Come on, brother. Be a man, this and that. Nobody not fight Masicka, bro. Not because the internet talking back and forth, this and that. That's enough. Not getting a fight, bro. Him song him still a play. Same way. You see me? Still a play. Remember when them time with Alkaline, brother? Man, them all play Alkaline song. And then back them time was a Gaza DJ them thing. And worse, the Alliance DJ them. Them never that to play Alkaline like that. You see me? I just saw a thing said.
Rate Alkaline.
But the man get a big fight, bro, because the man stand up, dog, and look where the man turn out now.
No, bro.
Great.
People didn't know say Alkaline did that.
Nah, man.
People
never,
bro.
No.
Right,
I never know nothing, man. Nothing you know about people didn't know say Alkaline they gotta do this. Actually, you would smart and you would stay far from and you can't dry him out. You just be a music and be a hits and run the place. And that's why you never know nothing, man. You see me? Never know nothing. If Alkaline never wise and smart, he would be when if him did a follow no, but that me I tell you no.
You know, see the man come now and prove himself. Say, yo, him not going nowhere. That's when Uno come now and I say, yo, Ray.
Never show you see. Kind of found out when I couldn't figure.
Yeah, this a madness away, my say now, people. Hear him.
You know, I'm going to explain something to you. You didn't know, say, because you're Alkaline fan. See? You didn't know, say, and not nice. Give Alkaline the formula. If you reach right now.
Nobody know.
You never did.
Man say, not nice, get Alkaline the formula. Which formula? Not nice is a producer, brother. What you talking about? Not nice on an artist. The man that's a producer like any other producer, bro. You see me? I don't know what you talking about give which formula. Look how much other artists not nice produce. You see them big like Alkaline? I do Alkaline though? That now make no sense, brother. But people want to tune into that video. Because since him say, not nice give Alkaline the formula. Well, not nice I go tell you, say Alkaline pave him one way.
You have any like you say, oh,
the whole rumors of Alkaline take Cartel style and him a Cartel Junior and copycat and that never like bother you, or it was just like as part of the promotion? It's good to say we get
take him style, man, and I like wanna say yo, take him style, you know. It's just certain things. Our next artist never do certain slackness. A man comes a certain what I call it now, theatrics and certain I call it PR stunt and something I wanna do where people just obviously I can't tell do that.
So in terms.
Alright, so when Notnice just say a while ago, him just say it's like this people, for example. See, you have Digicel and Flow, like any companies, Pepsi or you know, Heineken or so, you know, companies come up with different promotion, how to get them product for sell and you know, giveaways and all of them little thing there. You see me? But them want to give controversy and copyright to a person, which you can't copyright that. Everybody do them thing them own a way. You understand? If Digicel do promotion and Flow do promotion, see, you can't say them a copy or whatever, brother. Them a do it for them business. You see me? Everybody the competition thing. It's just a competition thing and then a follow thing. You understand? But Alkaline they address the part there. When Notnice just address, so listen.
Is bleaching and accepting that he bleaches. You've done your eyeball and you accept and willingly say you did and you did it to get attention. Yeah. He went as far as saying.
Which other artist in the dancehall space was brave enough, otherwise apart from him?
I can't think of any.
So that's why I guess there's a comparison. So would you give that artist copyright to courage? I think that's what you're doing.
No, I'm not doing
and controversy.
No. I'm just asking a question.
Alkaline.
So them a give the copyright for controversy and all of them little thing. When bro, controversy been there, brother. It's just that you do something where people say, yo, wow, all of them the thing there. So it's like them feel like say somebody will create it. No, brother, that's been there, brother. Controversy been there. You understand? So that them want to say yo copying and all. Remember say Alkaline, Cartel doing bleaching. See? Alkaline just come put it in eyeball. A two different thing that, brother. Cause Alkaline could have just put in the contact lens, you know. And forward with no talent, you know, and him drop buff. You understand? Remember the youth forward out him, never bleach him, just put in a contact lens to get the attention. You understand? And then just create him own way with music and start release music and start do things. The youth just a market himself. That's all. So this copying thing, brother, I feel like you misunderstand the thing, dog. You see me? Cause the thing is that when Sister Alkaline is a great artist, so that's why I do want to do the comparison. You see me? Cause when Sister yo Alkaline I take with the attention there. You see it? The Cartel did I get. So no use that to say yo, I copy him, I copy Cartel. When the youth just a market himself in a different way. You see it? But even not nice I say.
And them things in their mind when I go to school. You must say you think Cartel bleaching and tattooing out. Me I can't do something crazy. And me I say like what? He say he no figure it out yet. Any day figure it out, he might be the biggest artist. And when you tell me that a TV, me see him on the night saying tattooing eye. I mean
said on fame and fortune.
So a man say to Notnice say, yo, I go come do something in a dancehall way. And remember, you know, the thing what the youth are doing, you know, we never hear them time that we never hear nobody a tattoo them here yet. So people are say, yo, shit, this a little youth do this, it draw a lot of attention, even worldwide. Because people say, yo, that youth in Jamaica will tattoo him your ball and go viral. So everybody are tuning in. So this are the part where Notnice say, yo, when him go look on ER, him see Alkaline. So say the interview here.
But maybe his vision's blurred. Did Alkaline really ink his sclera, the white of his eyes? Did it hurt? Is he also seeing a shrink? Alkaline, did you really tattoo the whites of your eyes, or is this a publicity stunt?
Well, I ride bike at times, but I can do a few tricks and I know a little stunt. But I don't really master the art of stunting yet. So yeah, I really tattooed my eyes. It's just a new look for dancehall, a fresh look. So
it didn't hurt?
Yeah, it hurt, but pain is temporary.
But why do it?
Me and you both know, Mr. Miller, that you have like 10 million artists in Jamaica. Everybody claim to be them at the body. Everybody claim to say them at the body. So I think to just distinguish myself from every other entertainer, why not just tap my eyes?
But can't you rely on it?
You see it? The youth smart. So the youth see a bunch of people over there, so I do the same thing. And him say, yo, I don't want another bunch there and mingle and nobody now go see me. So I go do something different. and gain the attention there. Till them people were over there so in a bunch. I feel look on me and what me I do. So you just do a different marketing skills as I look at young youth you know say yo where the big artists them are doing me have to come do something more different. Cause I remember say them time there no bag of young artists never in a business, you know. As I'm tell you, Alkaline open the gate for the young artists them because them never did a tune into the young artists. I'm only the giants them back in this group and all of them look a thing there. Big artists them did that. No young artists them never did tune in. Since Alkaline forward now and them gain that. You see me? Yeah. So the youth just say yo, this a theme way to success and look at it and look where I'm reach right now. You understand? The youth just do a plan and execute well.
Yes, but everybody has their own stepping stone to success, and I guess this just happened to be mine.
Never.
You see it? I just that are the youth success. It's like marketing. Whatever result you works towards, at that you go get. So the youth just say, yo, alright, do this, gain the attention. You understand? Do something where nobody never yet do. Say, yo, me tattoo all over contact lens, me just tattoo me eyeball. Have some people there around me say, yo, don't say none. You understand? We'll make it look real. And it work for him. And then we after when the youth get where him want and him plans, so you just take out the contact lens. See there, you sell out Barclays with center with there. Bro, the youth know what him do in a dancehall, brother. Him know what him do. You understand? Him know what him do. You see it? But not nice have some more things to say still.
Have a conversation with him to find out if it real. Because you don't tell me years ago, say any day figure it out. I mean, just not such a. I just do that. I just the way that we are going to use to get the attention of the fans. That him talented. But if I that it I go take now to make people look your direction. And then prove yourself say you're bad for true, so it work. So me can kick off.
You see it? So man tell Notnice something. That's how when a brother you talk about family, you know. A youth create him own family in the game. The youth use a contact lens for people know him and then just start give them music. I don't know what I talk about, brother. And Notnice I tell you. Notnice I say, yo, if I this are the way if make you get out there, do it. You understand? Do it. And Notnice say, yo, when him say that pan the ER, him not even ask the youth if it real or what. For sure, yeah, bro. Cause I'm done tell him say, yo, me I go do something where, yo, it I go take over. And Notnice just say, alright, do it, youth. You see me? Yeah.
The business part time, alright. Mm-hmm. You see me? It's like in an initial stage where I do. I try. In a paperwork? For really. No, we never have nothing on paper. It's like me, I try to get it out there and then after, yeah, alright then. Money, I forward no thing serious now. I could just have a serious discussion and try to get the thing straight. And like, you never want to do that. After then. So after Alkaline,
stop it nice.
So what happened now? So basically what make Alkaline and Notnice fall out. It's just that no paperwork never done, a contract never signed. So them did just a work off of the impact and the song them. But when it forward down to sign in contract and start do things real, you know, it's like, I can't say, maybe something go on, Alkaline never like where I go on and all of these things, and him just say, yo, I just go my way and do my own thing. Fine. You know, the man just go them ways where no war, no fighting, no nothing. Every man just do them thing. You understand? That's how it go. Everybody have business wise have fall out and everything, you see me? Back in them days, a lot of contract never really a sign like that. So, you see me? Man just I do and I work with the wave and try to make a food and thing, you see me? But I want them thing there. But even that brother I say.
No. The man, nobody.
Yo,
give man the family.
The
man find the family himself.
No, bro.
Let me tell you this.
Who remember when Cartel got prison? When Cartel got prison, and blood clot, Notnice, take up Alkaline. Bro, you see, una remember, say, you see when you have a...
How would they ask this? The man say Notnice after Cartel go prison, Notnice take up Alkaline. Tell them Gaza man, you know, brother. You know no sense, you know, bro. You know no sense, dog. Cause at the end of the day, brother, if Notnice give that formula, why him can't give the formula to some other artist or my producer? The same formula when give Alkaline, why him can't give the other artist them? The man say when Cartel go prison, Notnice take up Alkaline. I don't understand that. Why you talk about Alkaline been get the attraction? Notnice tell us when him say I man dep on ER. Man tell her that the man been get the highlight before him start do the full work with Notnice, brother. So I don't know what you talk about.
Great producer in your corner, bro. You're happy boss.
Listen,
you're happy go far.
Let me tell you something.
When you have a...
That's a lie. Which great producer? Look how much a great producer go around people and then a boss. We are talk, but not because you're a great producer means you're a boss, brother. Madness you talk.
Great producer in your corner, you have to go far.
Let me
And
tell you
that is what, listen,
No,
Alkaline,
bro.
Alkaline
No,
did
bro.
have lyrics, Alkaline did have lyrics, Alkaline did have style, and Alkaline did have a great producer in your corner.
Bro, listen.
Alkaline did have a producer,
Listen.
Alkaline did have a producer, we did a work with a hit maker.
Well, listen what me answer now, bro.
So you listen
because
up.
of that
So you
you're
listen
right
up.
off for now.
So you
Alright,
listen
let me
up.
listen.
So
Watch him, no one the man talk, you know. When man do with producer, we had with hitmaker, brother. So we there. So you try to tell me, say now, how much years now since Alkaline and Notnice stop talk? Alkaline never get no more hits after that. Me never understand this. How am I talk about? So you tell me, said, only when Alkaline work with Notnice, I only time I get hits. Yo, me tell you about them, some of them guys, man, you know. Be a man, this them talking to people.
you listen up. So Alkaline automatically have to have somebody who will tell him, say, yo, bro, I say you have to do this and I say you have to do that. That is, when you have a good producer, bro, you have a rise. You want to tell me if I lie, me I tell you.
Yeah, but if you're not.
I'm madness you talk about like yo, I'm mad man this. Man so once you have a great producer. Bro, look how much artists go with great producer, brother. That means every artist that go work with dog. Alkaline just different. The man just have a different talent, brother. You understand? The youth just different how him do him thing, make the youth not nice, brother. Look how long the man stop being not nice. The man still have how much hit songs after that, bro. What you talk about? The man is sick, brother.
If you can't sing, how the fuck you gonna rise?
No, bro.
If you can't DJ, how
Watch
you gonna
yourself.
rise? You have some man, top nice now. You're done. You have some man where you could have him best. You could have DJ Khaled that push your thing, bro. You can't tell me nothing. One of the things where Alkaline use and make him foot stamp. The man come up with black eye. Nobody
right.
never
It
see
just
that.
never show you, say,
So that me I try to show you. The man come with his own energy. The man come with his own image.
Wait, no.
You see me?
Me glad you say that. Me
Hold
glad you say that.
on.
Yeah, what am I gonna say about controversy now? I gotta tell you how them stay.
Hold on, because you talk about great producer. May I say, man, could have DJ Khaled that pushing thing. If a man never had and could have do him thing, it no matter how much push them, push the producer push it not gonna work. The man have lyrics, the man have style, and then the man come out with the image that everybody that talk about the man black eye.
Chat.
Listen, my man. Going back to Masicka, go back to the crocodile. Say, me could go back to the crocodile.
So when did one say people, the controversy thing, he must say the local bleaching and rare with cartel. Zine, him want put that pan Alkaline. Brother, controversy been going in dancehall, bro. Before cartel start bleach. What you talk about? Controversy been a go on, brother. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like gonna give copyright, gonna give things copy, cause you can't give one person. I don't understand this, bro. Nobody can get copyright for controversy, brother. That's just people reacting and showing attention to a person. You understand? And everybody a talk about it. What you talk about? Before that controversy was there with a lot of artists, brother. Only just love give this copywriting to one person, brother. You can't copyright controversy. Everybody bring controversy, brother. So I don't know what you are talking about.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
as me say, bro, Masicka and Alkaline get the two biggest fights in the dancehall so far. Then get fight right now. You know the war what they go on between Masicka and Tommy Lee.
Listen
Then, what I know? Masicka and Tommy Lee.
Yeah.
And the hate start there, so, and I know the hate not stop.
No, you're not there, bro.
Bro, but brother, that are just trolling, bro. That are not fight, brother. That are just trolling, brother. You have DJ which not be you see nobody a pay nobody if you not play Masicka music. Masicka music still a play, brother. Everything. You don't know what kind of fight. Man not getting a fight, brother, when I look on some internet thing and talk about fight, bro. You understand? That's not a fight, brother. You see it. You don't know what kind of man fi fight and the man bounty rate the man. Beanie one mate Masicka, bounty rate Masicka. How much artists rate Masicka, brother? Enough for them man rate Masicka and rate Alkaline, brother. Them fall out and say something about the youth. So I don't know what you talk about, bro. You're sick in the head.
It's just people sharing their opinion.
Yeah, make read some comments.
There is no hate.
Make read
I
some
just
comments.
people are share their opinion. And
Opinion
guess
what?
Any
Would
day,
I fight man, you?
no, any day you do something.
If you go man shot.
You're gonna me say something. Any day you do something in a life, and you have people who don't have an opinion on what you do. You're not doing nothing good. You have to understand, say, you need people to have an opinion. The idea you do something to trigger them to say, yo, Ray. And that is what is going on. Nobody know yet, nobody, bro.
You can't tell me that. Them a
So wait there. So somebody forward out and remember, enough of these people, Alkaline don't do them nothing. See, in them get them so-called say, yo, Alkaline this cartel just because Alkaline get cartel special ratings. Remember, you know, the whole of them I work with the same thing. Remember, say Alkaline never diss enough of them DJs, yeah? But them not play music. When Usain Bolt I pay a boom boom for Ray, seeing Alkaline never do Usain Bolt nothing. So that's the difference. You know, nothing to do with opinion, brother. Them money I go to them way for no reason. Go do that because Alkaline never diss them personally. You see it? So that's the difference. You know, nothing to do with opinion. You see it?
Fight the man and you literally see it.
Everybody have an opinion, bro.
It's not an opinion, bro.
What is it?
Everybody a fight the man.
Fight
dog,
what?
and hold on for the man shot. And that's what I do, dog.
Yo, the leg off and shot like what cartel say.
Yo, the leg off for the man shot. The man song right now, Bossy, dog, the man song smooth like an engine oil. You know engine oil smooth.
Yo,
hold on.
It sang bad, bro. The video, if you have to see it, you can't do like...
People, you don't know, you know. I want me the facts, you know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself and know things said. Yeah, man, that is it.